all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and in another episode of LinkedIn. In this series of LinkedIn, I'm going to explore different features of LinkedIn and what are the new things that came up within LinkedIn and how you can increase your professional career growth using LinkedIn. Today's video is specially dedicated for the event feature in LinkedIn. So what is that event feature and how you can use that event feature in LinkedIn for your career and professionalism. So let's go and check it out in today's video. I have already created some few videos related to LinkedIn, as you can see, like how you can design your profile on LinkedIn, or like how you can build an initial resume using your LinkedIn profile. The next one is how you can delete and remove the old CV or resume from LinkedIn. And the last one is how you can upload your resume or CV on LinkedIn. So these are the different LinkedIn videos which I have created. So I just want you to make sure, if you looking for a different series of LinkedIn, just go and check out these videos. Even I'll provide the link in the description for the same for your reference. So let's go to our today's agenda, that is how to create and use a LinkedIn event feature in LinkedIn. So for that, just log into your LinkedIn profile and go to your home page. As you can see on a left dashboard, there is a new feature, that is event. So once you click on that event, you can see the different types of events that you have registered and also which have been taking place, or if you want to create for yourself and just do a marketing for the same. So for that, just say create. This event can be anything. It might be your YouTube video, it might be your new workshop or conference that you are trying to organize and you want to take it to the different level or different, and if you want to do a marketing of the same. For example, I want to conduct a Q&A session for a different, for PhD and postdoc students, or for research, like how to take up the research and how to take up the postdocs. So let us assume that I want to give at a starting date of, I want to create that event in the month of like 31st of October, 31st of this month, and let's say it starts at 5 p.m. and it ends at 6 p.m. You can also write the description for this, like for example, guidance for research and PhD students, right? And you can specify the speakers if you have anything, and you can just say public event and this is an online event and what is the registration process, or it is just a broadcast link with the link. Like for example, you can give here the Teams or the Zoom link what you have, just paste it here and say create. As you can see, the now event has been created for ourselves, and you can just add hashtag for like different students to reach it to different students, and when you say just post, then you can see the event has been organized for on your dashboard, and it can be seen worldwide. It can be seen to all your networks, and you can just add even invitees whom you want to like invite to your session and just say them and give them a detailed thing. So in this way you can organize an event for whatever, for your research, for your workshop, for your conferences. So I hope you can create event in this. You can just create a marketing environment for this and share it among the people so that they can attend it worldwide. So after once you have created the event, it looks like this. So Q&A session for research, this is the one. When you click on the link, you can see how many people have joined and what are the different things, and if you can share also this link with the different users among your network and different social media platforms. So in this way you can reach to maximum people for your event and do a marketing for your event. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research, and also thank you all for 1K subscribers. With your love and support, I'm able to complete this journey, As I mentioned in my previous video, I'll be taking some Q&A sessions and giveaway in the completion of 1K subscribers. So do put your name in comment section and let me know your question for the special Q&A session coming further. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.